Hello, I want to demonstrate for you briefly how to use our interlibrary loan system, or ILLiad. So I've run a search on Skyping and I have encountered a source result in the search results that we do not have in the library. So since we do not have it, there is a link that says request this through interlibrary loan. And I do not have to know where this article is or which library has it. I just know I want the library to find it for me. So when I click on this link, it'll prompt me, it'll open a login for ILLiad. This is not the same thing as your login for using the library or your MySGASU login information. So if you've not used ILLiad before, the first time you need to click on Start Here, and that will ask you to agree to their copyright conditions, and we agree, and then it'll open this form, and you'll need to input in all of the lines your personal information that it's requesting so that you develop a profile, create a profile on ILLiad, and then with this account at the bottom you'll have your SJSU ID as your username, but then you'll pick a password for that and then you'll submit it, and that will save you into the system so that the next time that you find a source that you need, when you click on this, if you're logged in to the library, to OneSearch, if you're already logged in, it'll connect you that way into interlibrary loan, and then you'll be able to automatically it'll message you that you have sent your request, you've submitted your request, and you won't need to fill out this form every single time. So if you have any questions about that or the type of information that they're asking for, whether you're picking up or you're having to mail it to you if you live in the area, in the San Jose area, or if you'd rather they mail records to you, is an option. Having the email address is helpful for articles because most of the articles that you request can be sent electronically to your email as PDF files. This is really, really helpful. If you have any questions about how to use it, please contact the library.